Good evening. We are going to solve today exercise 5D, which is from the factorization. The question number 1 is a cube minus 27. We can write it as a cube minus 3 cube, right? Because 3 cube is equal to 27, 3 into 3 into 3 equal to 27. And as we know that a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Okay. A square plus ab plus b square, so it will be a minus 3 into a square plus 3a plus 9. You have your answer. It is too simple. Now we are going to solve question number 3. It is similar to this, as question number 3 is 64 minus a cube b cube. So it will be 4 cube minus ab whole cube. Now it is also in the form of a cube minus b cube, so we are going to apply the same formula. Hence it will be 4 minus ab into 4 square becomes 16 plus 4 into ab become 4ab, and then plus a square b square, as in the formula there is b square, right? You have your answer. Now we are going to solve question number 5. 3x to the power 7 y minus 80 x to the power 4 y to the power 4. Now clearly here 3 is common because 81 is also divisible by 3, as 8 plus 1 become 9, and x to the, and from the x to the power 7 and x to the power 4, x to the power 4 is common, and y is common here, so we are going to take a common first. So it will be 3x to the power 4 y is common, and the remains is x to the power 3 minus 27 y to the power 3. Hence we can write it as 3x to the power 4y bracket open x cube minus 3y whole cube bracket close. Now it is in the form of a cube minus b cube, so it will be 3x to the power 4y into x minus 3y into x square plus 3xy plus 9y square, just putting it in the formula of a cube minus b cube, a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. Okay, this is your answer. Now question number 7, a cube plus 0.064. It can be written as a cube plus 64 by 1000. Now it will be a cube plus 4 by 10 whole cube, means a cube plus 0.4 whole cube. So now it is in the form of a cube plus b cube, and as we know that the formula of a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Simple. So we are going to put this into this form. Okay, hence it will be a plus 0.4 into a square minus 0.4a plus, now 0.4 square become 0.16. This is your answer. Now question number 9. The question number 9 is x minus y whole cube minus 8x cube. It is also in the form of a cube minus b cube as x minus y whole cube minus 2x whole cube, right? So we are going to put it in the form of a cube minus b cube. As we know that a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So it will be a, that is x minus y, minus b, that is 2x, into a square, that means x minus y whole square, plus ab means 2x into x minus y, plus b square means 2 square, that is 4, x square, that is x square. Simple. Is equal to x minus 2x become minus x minus y, and it is by expanding this x square plus y square minus 2xy. Now we are going to expand this, so it will be plus 2x square minus 2xy plus 4x square is equal to, when we are taking minus as common from here, then it is minus x plus y, x square plus 2x square plus 4x square becomes 7x square, plus y square minus 2xy become minus 4xy. This is your answer. Okay, all right. Now question number 11. Question number 11 is a to the power 6 minus b to the power 6. Write it as a cube to the power 2 minus b cube to the power 2. Now it is in the form of a square minus b square, right? And as we know that a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So it will be a cube plus b cube into a cube minus b cube. Now it is also in the formula, hence it will be a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square, and it will be a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Now by arranging this, it will be a plus b into a minus b into a square minus ab plus b square into a square plus ab plus b square. Okay, this is your answer. Question number 13. 13 is a cube minus 27 b cube plus 2a square b minus 6ab square. Now as we know that 27 is the cube of 3, so we can write it as minus 3b whole cube. From both these two terms we can take common 2ab, then it will be a minus 3b. Okay, all right. Now it is in the form of a cube minus b cube, so we are going to solve it, and it will be a minus 3b into a square plus 3ab plus 9b square plus 2ab a minus 3b. Now take a minus 3b as common, hence it is a square plus 3ab plus 9b square plus 2ab equal to a minus 3b a square plus 5ab plus 9b square. This is your answer. Question number 15. A minus B minus A cube plus B cube is equal to A minus B, and when we are taking minus as common, then it will be A cube minus B cube. Hence it will be A minus B minus A minus B A square plus AB plus B square. Now take A minus B as common, then it will be A minus B 1 minus A square plus AB plus B square. By removing this bracket, we can write it as A minus B 1 minus A square minus AB minus B square. You have your answer. Now question number 17, 1029 minus 3x cube. Since 1029 is also divisible by 3, so we can take 3 as common, then it will be 343 minus x cube. And as you know that 343 is cube of 7, so it will be 3 into 7 cube minus x cube. And now it is in the form of a cube minus b cube, so we can put it in the formula of a cube minus b cube, that is a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Hence it will be 3 into 7 minus x, bracket open, 7 square, that is 49, plus 7 into x, 7x plus x square. Okay, and the next question is, we have to show that 35 cube plus 27 cube is divisible by 62. And since it is in the form of a cube plus b cube, so we can write it as 35 plus 27 into 35 square plus 35 into 27 plus 27 square. And 35 plus 27 is equal to 62, and we are writing this as it is 27 square. Since 62 is a factor of 35 cube plus 27 cube, hence it will be divisible by 62. So we can write it as that implies 62 is a factor of 35 cube plus 27 cube. That implies 35 cube plus 27 cube is divisible by 62. You have your answer. Now question number 19. The question is 5.67 into 5.67 into 5.67 plus 4.33 into 4.33 into 4.33 divided by 5.67 into 5.67 minus 5.67 into 4.33 plus 4.33 into 4.33. Since it is in the form of a cube and plus b cube, so we can write it as 5.67 whole cube plus 4.33 whole cube by 5.67 square minus 5.67 into 4.33 plus 4.33 whole square. Hence a cube plus b cube, so a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square, so we can write it as 5.67 plus 4.33 into 5.67 square minus 5.67 into 4.33 plus 4.33 square by 5.67 square minus 5.67 into 4.33 plus 4.33 square. Now this cancels each other. It will be 5.67 plus 4.33, that is 10. You have your answer.